Laws.com Legal Forms Guide. Form 2290 is United States Internal Revenue Service tax form used for filing a heavy highway vehicle use tax return. This is a yearly excise tax on trucks used in the United States, and one form must be filed for each truck. A Form 2290 can be obtained through the IRS's website or by obtaining the documents through a local tax office. The form must be filed with the IRS just like any other tax return. Begin by filling out your contact information on the top of the form. Put you or your corporation's name, an employer identification number, and your current address, including street, city, and state. Next, you must determine the tax amount in Part 1. First, indicate if the truck was on the road in July of 2011, and if yes, enter 201107 on line 1. Using the tax grid on the second page of the Form 2290, determine the tax rate of your vehicle. Using the weight of your vehicle and type of work the vehicle performs, determine your tax rate. If you have multiple trucks, add up the total tax amount and put this number on line 2. If your taxable gross weight increased at any point during the taxable year, you must indicate the additional tax amounts on line 3. Add up your total taxable amount and put this total on line 4. If you have any applicable tax credits, put the amount of tax credits on line 5. Subtracting your taxable amount from your tax credits, you will get your final tax obligation under the heavy highway vehicle tax. This is the amount you must pay the IRS. If you have a vehicle that was used under the minimum to be taxed, indicate this status in Part 2. Your trucks may not be taxed or may be limited by how much they can be taxed. Complete Part 2 certifying you have suspended vehicles if applicable to your trucks. Otherwise, continue to the final boxes and certify your Form 2290. Attach the Schedule 1 of your Form 2290, which requires you to indicate the VIN number of each truck you are reporting. The form is ready for submission to the IRS. Keep a copy for your records. To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.